when we're recording content, it is so important to have a level of consistency so our audience can understand when it is that we're going to be publishing our next episode, our next video, whatever it happens to be. But what happens when you get a bit bullish and you get a bit complacent? Well, this happened to me a couple of weeks ago. I was on a roll and I was recording lots of videos and thinking I was just going to be able to keep pace with releasing videos pretty much as soon as I'd recorded them. And I got a bit ahead of myself, and one week I released 3 videos simultaneously in that week. It was staggered over a few days, but still I was super buzzed about being able to achieve that. And then life got in the way. I got a bit ill, and I'm not going to go into the details of it, but it wasn't a great experience. However, that prevented me from getting on camera and recording anything. So that is a bit of an excuse. I'll give you that. But if I hadn't have got a bit too overconfident, if I'd have kept a couple of those recordings in the bank and had a batch process where I know I'm going to schedule my releases on or at least a weekly occurrence, then I wouldn't have come up with that problem. So top tip for you, if it is that you're creating content and you're struggling with that level of consistency that we're all looking to achieve, try and record a couple of videos at the same time, and then you'll be able to do some batch processing on editing. The setup time will take you a bit less. You'll be a bit more in the flow when you're doing your edits. And also, most importantly, you can give your audience that consistency that they crave. Hope this video has helped you. Please like and comment if you've got any questions or any thoughts on this. And a subscribe would be awesome.
You make it look easy. Go on and do what you do.